And I want to know the reason why you chose Hamtik out of the 18 banwas. Bakit kaya? Diba? Yun.
Madam Chair, let me
Yes,
handle
Secretary.
this. Let me handle this. Let me classify this as a prototype of a project for barangay information officers. Right now, in my data, at least 2 personnel from PIA, Chingamor and Esther Dosa. All right. Okay. On this project, Barangay Information Officers Network, let me handle it. My office and the PIA. Let me do the concept of operation. That includes monitoring and evaluation. The course module, so that the deliverables are very clear.
Why? You'll handle it, Secretary, as a new secretary, but I want to know, it's a 4-year program. So I want to see the course module, what kind of training they did to the barangay secretaries. Are you familiar with what you've done? What kind of training?
Yes, ma'am. There were several trainings on, for example, news writing and reporting, how to handle reports from the ground, ma'am. Conducted by our provincial or regional PIA staff in the. Yes, ma'am. Because sometimes very basic report writing, we use the 5 Ws and 1 H. Because,
Yes.
for example, if there are incidents like disasters, they have to write reports very briefly.
Yes, okay.
Yes,
So it's
we
really
do
not news writing, it's writing. It's
Yeah,
memos.
right.
Yeah, not necessarily
Writing
news. Okay.
reports, yes.
So writing. So kindly give me the modules you've had since you came in, no? Wala naman kayo po dyan ng 2022. 2020, 22? Okay. From the time you came in, how many courses have you had? And what kind of reports? I just want to have an idea, right? And you said that you only rolled it out in Hamtik in the whole of Antique and only Nabas in the whole of Aklan, right? So hindi naman lahat.
Hindi kaya, ma'am, kasi wala tayong tao. So
Wala kayong tao.
we
Walang tao
we don't have enough
to train.
personnel, PIA personnel, ma'am. For example, in one province, for instance, in Zamboanga del Norte, we only have 1 PIA personnel.
Why will you call it a nationwide barangay information
Because
network if you don't have the people
this
to
is
do
a
it?
plan, ma'am. The expansion of the
Plano pa lang ito.
the Barangay Information Officers Network is a plan because we have existing areas already that are successful. For example, in Region 9 and
Give
Region
me a 1 successful barangay.
We will submit to
No,
you
now. If it's successful, you would remember it.
What barangay was that? There are several barangays, ma'am. For example, in Pagadian City, all the barangays in Pagadian City are members of Barangay Information Network. Yes, ma'am. Because they were able to update us on the status of their barangays, and we were able also to conduct information drives in several barangays.
So may I have a report from you? Of course, you can always sugarcoat your report, but I want to see a copy of a report from one LGU. And as I promised, if I like a program, we can roll it out in other areas. I may not fund the whole country, but I'll select. Definitely, I will have a program in Antique. But you have to show me the module. I may have the funds, but you don't have module. And what will you do? How to communicate in simple language? What questions to ask? Maybe PSA can help you. They are research-based. Because everything, the decisions we make as leaders of our country, appointed or elected, should be science-based, right? It should be accurate, science-based, and accurate. So, patingin ng report, patingin ng sample module nyo, maliban sa news writing, ano pa? Dapat alam din nila ang mga programa ng gobyerno para pagpunta nila dun, ito, ganito yun. Tapos, hindi naman lahat may internet, ay meron tayong simpleng brochures sa simpleng maiintindihan in their language. not in English, not in Filipino, maybe in Kanaraya, if it's Hamtik, we don't know, right? Could even be comics, something understandable, right? Okay, proceed, please.
All right, thank you. Madam Chair, let me proceed. Aside from the barangay information officers,
Before we leave that, how much is your funding for that for one province? Or let's say one town na lang, one town or one barangay.
We have no funds. We only provide for that project. We only provide free training and workshops.
What do you
for
mean no funds? You used funds. You
yes.
used funds from your NEP or your
Yes, ma'am.
organic budget. So my question is, how much does it cost per barangay or per LGU? What do you mean you didn't have funds? You just did it using your organic funds. So
Yes, ma'am. We just do
it was an idea and you did it without any
additional
amendment.
funding.
But how much more or less did it cost?
We only provide the per diem of the personnel that go to the barangays, ma'am.
Since you say that you utilize the barangay secretary, should it be the barangay secretary or it could be any barangay official?
Usually it's the barangay secretary, but sometimes the barangay chair would appoint somebody.
Okay. So barangay secretary and or the choice of the kapitan.
Yes.
And we need the module, the cost, the frequency, and an assessment since you started it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
We will provide you all.
Okay, thank you.
May we just offer
Yes,
as information, ma'am?
Yes, Yusek Tala.
The upcoming barangay information officers network gathering for regions 9 to 13 is going to be conducted in partnership as a partnership between PCO and PIA. For this po, we allocated 7.4 million to cover the 5 regions with a total count, well, with the, for example, ma'am, for Region 9, 681 barangays with total participants of 1,000, with corresponding amount of 2.069 million. We'll submit, ma'am, to the committee this information for your reference po. Thank you.